Good morning, students. Today we will start with infectious agents and what are infectious agents and how they can cause disease to us. First of all, viruses, which can cause common cold, influenza, dengue, and AIDS. Similarly, bacteria, they are also infectious agents like typhoid, cholera, TB, and anthrax. Fungi, it can cause many common skin infections. Protozoan can cause malaria, kala azar, and worms. They can cause infections like elephantiasis. These categories are important for our understanding because we should apply that particular type of treatment to use. Now, what are the common characteristics for these infectious agents? All viruses, they live inside the host cell, whereas bacteria never. Bacteria, viruses, and fungi multiply very quickly, while worms multiply slowly as compared to it. Common cure: all bacteria are closely related to each other than the viruses and vice versa. Many important life processes are similar in bacteria group, but they are not shared with the help of viruses group because they have the different mechanism. Drugs or antibiotics which can block the pathway of the bacteria which cannot be useful for viruses. For example, bacteria antibiotic like penicillin, they can block the pathway of the cell wall making of bacteria, but it cannot be used against viruses because viruses has no mechanism to make cell wall. Viruses do not use this pathway. Instead, they are using the machinery of the host cell. That's why most of the antibiotics are not effective against the viral infections. Now, what are the means of spread? That means how these infectious agents can be spread. First is airborne diseases. These are spread from one person to another person with the help of air only, like common cold, pneumonia, TB. Secondly, waterborne diseases, which can be spread with the help of contaminated water, like cholera. Third is sexually transmitted diseases like syphilis and AIDS. They can be transferred with the help of unsafe sexual contact. And last one is vector-borne diseases with the help of mosquitoes or other animals like malaria and dengue. That is all for today.